Good afternoon, students. How are you? Today I will teach you 6th class NCERT books of mathematics, chapter number 1. What's the name of chapter? Knowing our numbers. As you know from previous classes about the numbers, here your first topic is given comparing numbers. Like this, first question is given 92, 392, 4456, 89,742, and you have to tell which is the greatest. So first methods to find out the greatest number, we can count a digit. So look here one time, in 92 how many digits? 2. 392 how many digits? 3. Here how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. Here in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So easily you can tell number of digits. Here greatest in this number. So this number is the greatest from all these. Yes or no? Similarly, if question is given like this second part is given 1902, 1920, 9201, 9021, 9210. Yes or no? So here you have to tell which is the greatest number among these. So first you can count their digits, then check one time all contain how many digits? How many digits? 4 digits. All contain 4 digits. So in this way you cannot decide. Then you can apply which methods? Then you can take first digit from the left hand side like this. Here is 1, here is also 1, here is 9, here is 9, here is 9. So 1 is less than 9. So these two number definitely less than these 3. Come on, next point. 9201, 9021, 9210. First digit of these 3 numbers same. So come on, second number. Second is number, here is 2. What's it? 2. Here is what? 0. And here is what? Again 2. As you know, 0 is less than 2. So this number definitely less than these 2. Now compare these two, 9201 and 9210. First 2 digits same. So come on, compare which digit? Third digit. Here is what? 0 and here is what? 1. So 0 is less than 1. So therefore 9210 is the greatest number amongst these. Understood or not? Now come on, exercise also. Can you instantly find the greatest and the smallest number in each row? You can do these. If anywhere problem, you can discuss like this. In question number first, what's given? This is given 382, 4972. Then what's given? 18. Then what's given? 59, 785, and then 700 50. You have to tell what you have to tell. Smallest and the greatest number. So count digit. Here how many digit? 3. Here how many digit? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here how many digit? 2. Here how many digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. Here how many digit? 3 digit. So which number contain maximum number of digit? This. So this is what? 59,785 is the greatest number. Understood? Which digit contains smallest number of digit? 18. How many digit? 2. So 18 is the smallest number. Smallest number among these. In this way you can find out remaining question also, either by the first methods, count the digit. If counting of digit is not applicable, then you can apply comparing the digit from the left hand side. Understood? Solve these. If anywhere problem, discuss with me, tell me, I will help you. Anywhere at any stage you can tell me. Now come on the next page, page number 3. Try this given. What's given? Try this. First question given. Use the given digit without repetition. Make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number. This given 2, 8, 7, 4. You have to make the greatest 4 digit. How many digit? 4 digit number without repetition of the digit. So find out. To write greatest number, you have to check which digit is greatest. Look here, 8. After 8 what's coming? 7. After that 4 and then 2. This is the greatest number by using these digits without the repetition of the digit. Smallest, reverse of it. 2, 4, 7, 8 is the smallest 4 digit number by using these digit and without repetition of the digit. Here hint also given. That example I can take like this: 4, 7, 5, 0. So you have to tell. So here 4 digits given, 4, 7, 5, 0. You have to make 4 digit greatest number. First thing I want to tell, in your book also hint given. If you can write 0, 7, 5, 4, it is a not 4 digit number. This is a 3 digit number. You can write 0 here, how many you want. So way of writing is this: greatest 7, 5, 4, 0 is the greatest 4 digit number without repetition and by using these digit number. Smallest 4 digit number, 0 you cannot write here. So 0, after 0 which number coming from these? 4, then 0, 5, 7 is the smallest. What is that? Smallest number by using these digit. Second question given. Now make the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number by using any one digit twice. It's meaning one digit you can use how many times? 2 times. Twice mean 2 times. Twice mean 2 times. Like this: 3, 8, 7. Yes or no? Yes sir. So how can you make? You have to make greatest 4 digit number by using these 3 digit 3, 8 and 7. So you can repeat it. Greatest number, greatest digit among these is what? 8. So repeat 8 2 times, then 7 and 3 is the greatest number of what? 4 digit number. And now 4 digit smallest number by using these digit, and 1 digit you can repeat. That's your choice. So which is the smallest digit among these? From 3, 7 and 8, 3. So repeat 3 how many times? 2 times, then 7 and then 8. In this way you can solve this. Then third question also given. You can solve this. If anywhere problem, then discuss with me. I will tell you one example. I can tell from these also. Third question given. First part I am taking, second part I am taking. B part saying written there. Note the number cannot begin with digit 0. Why? So it's written make the greatest and the 4 digits number using any 4 different digit with condition as given. Digit 4 is always at 10 place. So this is given. And condition is this. You can use from these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. By using these digits, you have to make the greatest 4 digit number without repetition. And 4 is where? At 4 is where? 4 is at 10 place. So this is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. So 4 is where? Here. So you have to make greatest. So here what number left? 9, 8, and here 7. This is the greatest. Understood? And smallest also you can make like this by using this. This is, you can see, this is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. And 4 needed where? At 10 place. So for here, what you can write here? 1, 2, and here 3.
0.
Here you can write what? Sorry, 0. Again I am telling this. So what you can write here? This is in problem is this. Again I am telling here some problem. So like this. So one more. So this is 4 is here and 1 is here, 0, and here is what? 2. This is the 4 digit smallest number by using these digits without repetition of the digit, and 4 is at 10 place. So solve this exercise till here. Remaining we can start tomorrow. About ascending and descending order, you can solve these 2 exercises in your rough notebook, and after that in fair notebook.